Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today we're going to unbox this G-Shock here. This is yet another used watch purchase by me, and I do believe this one here is lacking the outer box. Okay, doesn't matter. Alright, I don't think such things are that important, so it's good that I have the tin can here. So let me just flip open this one here, and we've got all the manuals here, and oh, yet another layer of foam, and here it is. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the watch I just purchased, and this is the GW-B5600HR if I'm not wrong. So let me just do a very quick confirmation on the warranty card. So this one here came from 3D Watch Shop, and I do believe that this is a very reputable G-Shock dealer at Bencoolen Street. Alright, so reference number for this watch is GW-B5600HR. Okay, so I do believe the R refers to the red accents here, and to be honest, recently I've gone on a crazy gshocksquare buying spree, so I do have this one here. I purchased this one sometime around November last year, I think so. I went a bit crazy, and I thought I want to collect all these GW-B5600s because I really like their looks and function. So this one here has got Bluetooth and even multiband 6. So we're not going to use multiband here in Singapore, so but I'm a big fan of the Bluetooth connectivity app here, and it gives you very accurate timekeeping. So let me just try and do a quick wrist shot here. Alright, so this is a used watch, but I think it's in a really good condition. Alright, no scratches at all. Doesn't seem like a daily beater kind of watch. Okay, let's see if this one fits me. Oh, it actually fits me really well, so no need for resizing. Wow, I'm lucky. Okay, so really nice, classic looking gshocksquare. You can't go wrong with this design here. So with all the packaging out of the way, let's take a closer look at the GW-B5600. I'm loving all the red accents here. At first I'm thinking can be a bit too much, but I think it looks really good here. And even the red bits here on the inner side of the bracelet and the case back here, I think, you know, adds a bit of a flair to it. Alright, so as you put on the bracelet, you can see some hints of red accents here. I think that's a really cool design, and I do have the all black stealth version of this watch. Okay, it is at another location. I apologize for that because I'm in the midst of moving house, so my watches, they're not all housed in the same place these days. So perhaps I'm gonna just round all of them up, and I'll do a full detailed video on this series here, the GW-B5600, and I'm gonna proclaim my love for the entire series here. So really a simple yet classy looking range of G-Shock squares. Okay, so even the bits of a little bit of colors here and there, it doesn't make the watch look childish or gaudy. Alright, so even this one here, the lime yellow version, I think everything works really well. It doesn't cheapen the watch or anything like that, so I'm just loving the entire series. So stay tuned for the detailed review or the overall series review in the next few weeks. See you soon. This is the Watch Kaki. Bye bye.